Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to another weekly market update on the US market. If you're new to the channel, I am Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks. With that being said, let's start with the analysis. Now last week we said that there was a strong area of demand down here. And price has just rallied. This is the 1 month chart, so every candle represents 1 month of time. So once this current month of February closes, we're gonna have if this closed like this candle, it's going to close as a very strong bullish candle. So we can expect price to go up higher. But if price wants to retrace down here, this level is still a valid area of demand that is looking very good to go long. Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor or a personal stock picker guru, so make your own trading decisions on your trading plan. Don't buy and sell where I tell you to. And I'm not telling you to go to buy and sell here, but this is a very good opportunity to implement bullish strategies. I'm telling you that the market is bullish, but your trading decision has to be your own. Alright, so the weekly chart, we have this area been tested already, and now last week closed as a basing, so a pause. So we have bullish, pause. So it's not really doing anything right now, but we are still bullish on the market because we haven't had any real indications that the market is going to reverse just yet, because this candle that closed 3-4 weeks ago almost gave us that sign, but it never followed through to go to the downside. And then the week after that, the candle closed higher, so we were bullish. And then now last week it closed as this red square, and it's still very bullish because our overall in the uptrend. Daily, we have a strong area of demand. Not very strong, but this area, if price wants to drop down here, this is a good area to go long, possibly. Like I said, you have to do your own research and figure out why that is, but that area is located right here. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Index, the US market's top 30 industrial companies. So we have the same thing, same price action. Back when the markets crashed during COVID-19, the Dow was slower to rebound, but nevertheless it had the same chart pattern as the rest of the markets, or at least with S&P 500. Now the Q is the Nasdaq composite. Nasdaq last week ended a little bit lower than the other 2 and 3 US market indexes, but nevertheless still very bullish. This kind of price action here is not very good. This is telling me that there's a staircase going up, so when it wants to come down, when it wants to drop down, it's going to drop down very hard, but we don't know when that is going to happen. We just have to wait. We have to be patient to catch that fish. So the daily, we had a level right here, price retraced to it, rallied, and now we have a level right here that price wants to trace, it can rally. the Russell 2000, the small cap 2000 stocks, we have same thing, level of demand right here, and it's in a clear uptrend, and same thing, but last week it closed as a pin bar, as a bullish pin bar, so it could rally higher, but if it does retrace it, this is the first level to look at. Okay, if there are any stocks that you want me to analyze on a weekly basis or on a daily basis, please comment that below. Comment below if you like the video, and press that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. As always, I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.